How to set WhatsApp business auto reply message. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp business. Then, click on Tools at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here in Tools, scroll down, you'll find Greeting Message. Click on Greeting Message. And then you'll find Send Greeting Message. Turn this on, and then at the bottom, click on Greeting Message. You can type in whatever you want, and then press on OK at the bottom. After this, press on Save at the top. Then you're good to go. This is how to set WhatsApp Business Auto Reply Message. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.